Hey everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to be planning out April 1st in my MakseLife daily planner. Okay, so I'm not really sure why March felt the need to last so long, but I am so glad that it is finally April. So I have my MakseLife daily planner here. It is an undated planner if you are unfamiliar with this brand. So I actually have my date covers from Randy.Plans. It shared this in a recent plan with me that I just love these because you get the whole month. The font is very clean, simple, and they are printed on transparent stickers, which is my favorite. It's just very out of the way on your page, so it's not like taking anything over. And I'm actually going to go ahead and put Sunday down too while I'm here. Typically I'll put down the entire week in advance. You can honestly just do the whole month, but obviously I'm someone who creates content with my planning, so I do set them a little bit to the side and just use them as I go after that. But this is great. I 10 out of 10 recommend. I've been shopping from Randy's shop now for 6-8 months now and never disappointed. Never disappointed. The Tombow color I'm going to use for my headers is 228. It's just this gorgeous green color. Super excited about it, and yeah, let's jump right in. So I'm just gonna put my headers in. I've also shared this before. I don't typically do a whole lot of stickers in this planner anymore. I used to. I just kind of really prefer the minimal approach to this. So I'm going to put in some other areas as well, but I kind of want to box them out. So I'm grabbing this stencil from Off Grid Plans. I think their shop is closed, unfortunately. You have to go through their Instagram profile to order, but that's what that looks like. It's a nice credit card sized stencil with literally everything that you need. So I apologize that I'm using something that's probably not available, but just want to share what I am using. All right, so let's make this area for to-dos. Saturdays are typically a little bit busy around here, so I do work a 9 to 5 Monday through Friday, so a lot of things get pushed to Saturday. And then I'm gonna do my top 3 here. And then today, kind of a little cursive action happening there, a little bit sloppy, but it's gonna be okay. And then my habits at the bottom. Okay, and then to sort of create this section, I think I'm gonna do, let's see, I might actually just do another header for errands, but then I'll do the little box for social media. That will be just fun. And I kind of wanted to use the little flag, so that's what I was gonna do for my social media thing. Not totally necessary, but I just had the idea when I was looking at the stencil and was like, oh, I know what that would be perfect for. That's a little wonky, but it's gonna be okay. I probably should have used the bigger one because I like to put my JP for Julie's plans in the box when I do stuff like that, and since I picked the smaller one, it's gonna be a little bit hard to see, so I'm just not gonna do that. But this is gonna be for all of my social media stuff. You totally don't need to draw a box, but for me it just kind of draws attention to the page, like, oh, you should probably do the things in that box. I've gotten a lot done in 3 minutes, you guys. I know sometimes I drag these out, but and I'm just gonna put the dots inside since I kind of went over the box there. Okay, Saturday to-dos. Oh boy, it's bathing weekend. So not for me. Okay, let's rewind. It's bathing weekend for my dogs. So they get a once a month bath. They get brushed every week, but their bath time is once a month. It's like a traumatic event for them. So I'm already tired thinking about it, but I do need to do the dog's nails, so both of them, and then bathe dogs. Bruiser, it's a little bit more traumatic for him because he is blind. I do have a blind Chihuahua who's approaching 15 years in age, so he's a little old man. And then Brody, who is our 7-year-old pit bull, he's scared of everything. So showers, it's like you've really got to do a lot of encouragement to get to the shower. He's a big dog, so I can't lift him to put him in the tub. So we typically will just kind of with treats, you know, bribe him to go into the walking shower. And then I just put on like some biker shorts and a t-shirt, and we just get in the shower together. It is a great time. All right, and then I will wash the dog beds. It is just like a nice fresh start for them, and all of us too, because you know, dogs, their stuff starts to smell like a Cheeto factory after a while. All right, and then I obviously need to wash some towels after that, because we will use towels for the dogs, and then that goes in a hamper, and then that starts to stink, so we just start washing all the things. Last thing is Roomba downstairs. That's like an always thing, but my life is nothing but dog hair. The big thing I also need to work on for Saturday is meal plan, and then our grocery list. That's quite a bit for a Saturday. Then come in the errands. I do need to go to the outlet mall. I have to do a return. So at some point, I might do all of these errands in the morning and then start on this stuff once I'm home. Because once I'm in the shower with the dog, it's like, the day's over. The day is over. I'm not leaving the house again. I do need to go. No, I don't need to go to the post office. I did that yesterday. I don't think I did the car wash, so that just keeps getting moved. I love that. I drove by it and it was a little bit crowded for me, and I was like, that's not my vibe. I'm that person that's like, when you drive through the drive-through car washes, I don't understand why they insist on jam-packing, you know, a car and then a foot of space and then another car and then a foot of space. Like, I panic that something's going to happen and either I'm going to hit the car in front of me or something, or the car behind me is going to hit me. I don't know. I don't even know why I do car washes, to be quite honest, because it's too much of an out of control situation. And I also just dread having to wash my car in the driveway. So there's that. Okay. Other errands. I do need to go to Walgreens. Well, if my prescription is ready. They said they had to order it, but that it should be in tomorrow. So big old question mark next to that. All right. Now, as far as social media stuff, I do need to edit a couple of videos, just because if I can get one done, like my Monday video done, then I won't feel as rushed on Sunday. If I can get that edited, scheduled, thumbnail done, all set, then I really don't have to stress out too much. And then I need to go through comments and messages, because I will have had a video go up and yesterday's video go up and content on Instagram. So I always like to make sure I at least get to everything that I can. I do have a post to IG. It's going to say photo, but it's actually multiple photos because it's a carousel. Love that. And then need to go through emails per usual. Got a few that I actually need to follow up on, and then update my Notion. I like to kind of go through and like check off things that I have done, kind of put things on my radar that are coming up soon, and just kind of stay on top of everything. That's my ideal use for Notion. When I actually go in and check in on everything, then everything runs smoothly. If I ignore it, then I'm like, oh crap, I was supposed to post this, or I was supposed to post that, and you know, it doesn't always happen. Okay, so top 3 is going to be my medication and vitamins. Nothing new there. And then, of course, dogs. Because, I mean, they really are every day my top 3. All right, let's see. Today, the schedule is going to start at 8 o'clock because it's a Saturday. We're gonna attempt to sleep in. I don't know about you guys, but I'm not much of a sleeper in my older age. I don't know what it is. I feel like I'm missing out on getting things done. I'm sure that that's ridiculous, but I don't know. I don't sleep in a whole lot. I do try. That's for sure. All right, so let's grab the dot marker. That's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna do an AM routine. I don't typically put PM routine on the weekends because I don't really focus on evening routines on the weekend. So I'll at least get the AM done. Always hard to write up against the coils. So that's going to have to do. Really exciting thing this Saturday is that I am attending a bling workshop with This Is Tisa. I don't know if that's actually big enough. I think what I'll do is the same thing with the flag, but I won't fill it in this time. I should have left it empty on the previous one. But anyway, it is like blinging things. Let me show you this amazing cup. So I shared this while I was at Go Wild, but this is actually Tisa's cup and she gifted it to me. But this is what I mean by blinging. We're going to do something similar. So a couple weeks ago, she had signups for her next workshop, and you could pick like the word that you want on the cup. She provides like the cup, the vinyl, all of the glue and tools that you need. Obviously it's for a fee, it's not free. And that workshop is this weekend. I'm obsessed with this cup. It actually stays on my shelf in my office because it is just the most gorgeous thing ever. And I can only hope that when I start my cup that it looks this good, because this is so beautiful. All right, enough about that cup. So yeah, she had signups. Again, I'm just in this, like, there were so many great speakers, presenters, like crop hosts, and I just wanted to support them. And when I saw that she had signups for a workshop, I was like, absolutely, sign me up. I don't know what I'm doing. And it's only an hour long, so it's not like we're going to get like an entire cup done. I think it's more or less to get us started. And I'm excited about that because her crop was truly, truly amazing. We did pens, and I have those around here somewhere, just not in arm's reach, but I finished both of my pens like a week and a half, 2 weeks after Go Wild, and it was the most calming thing ever. I don't know if you guys have ever blinged anything. You'll have to let me know down in the comments, but it truly was like, this right here looks overwhelming. It is calming. I promise you. All right, so that is at 12. All right, and then I think realistically, a lot of this stuff will get done in the morning time right about here, and then these errands and things like that will get done right around here because that's really just how it's going to have to work. Yeah, hopefully I don't have any issues getting that stuff done. Okay, and then for dinner, I think we're actually going to go out for dinner. Kind of excited about that. Dinner, except I don't know where yet, so we're just going to put that there. And then we're going to have like a movie night with family. So I'm just going to kind of do like a little, I don't know, make it look like one of those journaling kit stickers. And then just do family movie night. I will say, I probably wrote on this a little bit too quick. Not that I'm having any issues, but probably wait like 10, 15, 20 seconds longer for this to dry before you immediately write over Tombow. That's just my personal observation. It does write a little bit smoother if you do wait. Whereas if the marker is still wet, your gel pen might drag a little bit. So personal preference, or just something that I personally observed. All right, let's move into habits. Even on the weekends, we've got to focus on our habits. So of course I'm going to do water, and then just a couple more habits. Not going to do too many on this Saturday. Probably not going to get to my audiobook. We'll probably do green juice. Lord help me. Hopefully it doesn't affect my stomach as bad as it did the last time. Let's see, probably walk Brody again. I do try to walk him on the weekends. If not, the kids or Jesse will focus on it. I just misspelled my dog's name. It's fine. So yeah, if I will walk him on the weekends, and then the kids and Jesse will walk him during the week when they can. They just kind of rotate if possible. And then we're going to do AM skincare and PM skincare. I'm just kind of doing this sort of mixture of print, and almost wrote AM again, and cursive. I don't actually write like all the way in cursive anymore. That's hard right there at the bottom by the coil. It's hard. That's all I'm going to say. But that's just kind of where I'm at with my handwriting. I'll slow down and write way neater, and we're just not doing that today. So that is how my Saturday is looking. It looks like wow, I will see if all of this happens. But, you know, this is always more like an intention of the day, not a have to get all these things done. Plus, I do have my family that can help out with a lot of these tasks. So that is it for today's daily plan with me. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you are already subscribed, make sure that you click that notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. As always, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.